Alright guys, I am here at Crossroads Cemetery, and I'm here with John Weeks with Weeks Paranormal, and Jonathan, his son. I don't know your last name. Oh, okay, I thought it was Weeks. I wasn't for sure. Anyway, we out here at this creepy ass cemetery where you can hear the locusts better than you can an airplane going by. So let's check it out. Let's see if it's haunted.
I'm gonna try to go this way and not kill myself or anything.
Well, somebody's gonna have to stay with me until we check it out. Make sure. Stay with me until I check it out. But I want to go up there to those oak graves. Once we get on top of that hill, I see a lot. Or is it my eyes adjusting?
I think your eyes are adjusting.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a lot brighter than mine is. Your infrared?
I don't see yours ain't on. Now it is.
Okay.
Because it'll show red in it when it's on. See?
Yeah. Then I have that really bright one right there with the blue.
Oh, hell yeah.
Thing that sound black. That light. It's just a different spectrum. Oh yeah.
Yeah. It's well maintenanced. What? Sound like what? Why don't you run a video?
That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to get it on.
Oh, you need a light. Okay. Sorry. I was wondering what you was doing. That freaked me out. I seen my light in that cemetery. I was like, who's walking beside me? Crossroads. Something red over there on that one. Way out in the middle of freaking nowhere. So what the date on this is 1885. Ain't that 1889 maybe. Let's see this. 1906. Walker. If there's any spirits out here, we don't mean any disrespect by being here. We just want to see if you want to communicate with us. If you do, you can. We talk to spirits. If you have a message, or if you just want to tell us something, we might not hear you right away. But you can trust us. We don't mean any disrespect at all. 1906. Pulaski Walker. That was a walker. I just swap hands. You can speak into our cameras. I hear a car. Why is my light still on in my car?
I was going to ask you the same thing.
Knocking. Anybody heard any knocking?
Uh-uh. I gotta go check, turn my light off. I'm gonna wait till that car goes by so I can see. Can't really tell where the grays are. Alright guys, I'm gonna sit you down right here. I'll be right back. That was your dad's door.
That's weird. It said the same thing back to back. Confused.
Try to turn the lights off when the car goes by so they don't see us up here. Wonder what we're doing. I gotta be able to see where I'm walking. That tripped me out again. That's a shiny headstone. That, you hear my voice?
Using my voice.
I don't hear you. Can you go speak a little louder? Speak into my camera. They're so crowded. Don't know where to stop. What's the date on that one? It's a child.
1902. There's a baby.
Yeah. Only lived a day.
Old. It's May to October.
Oh.
Almost to the date.
15. Damn, bugs is in my face. You can talk to us, it's okay. And if I'm stepping on your grave, I'm so sorry, I just can't see. Yeah. Where? I swear I thought that was shooting a bird, but it's pointing. Another car.
Busy back here.
Yeah, it is.
Dance.
What?
Dance.
Dance? About one every 5 minutes. Born in 1918, died in 1940. Oh, these must have been twins.
June.
what does that say? Letty Ivy and Mary Ivy. They were twins. Oh, couldn't have been twins. That one was one day. Or not one day, but from February to June. But they died at the same time. Roundabout. These are all Ivies. That's Willie Lee Kessler. They're children, I thought, but yeah, that one is from 1917 to 1919. Oh, I'm sorry, babies, that you didn't get a chance to live a life. Ain't that fancy over there? Look at them big old pictures on it. Johnson? I don't see a Johnson. Oh, look at that frog. I almost stepped on it. Hey, Kermit. Hey, Kermit.
Yeah, we like to splish at him.
Or he would have scared the shit out of me if he jumped in front of me. Charlie Brown. Charles Brown. Look at their pictures over there.
Watch that metal.
I see it. There had to have been a younger picture of him because he died in 2009. She died in 2001. He lived 8 years more, or 7 years more than her. That was weird. I thought I seen a light up in them woods, in the trees. So I'm picking up my flashlight way over there. Holy Spirit.
Yep.
There's a plane. Well, you wouldn't think this was as old as it is. Yeah. Josie Messer Walker. I bet the Walkers were the founders of this cemetery. You alright?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the first time I've gotten out.
Yeah.
Since my procedure, and I had a mental breakdown. And I'm really loving it. I missed it so much. I miss y'all. I don't know when I'll put this video out, but I hope we've caught some stuff. What is it? What do you say? Alright, let's get it. A lot of planes go across here. Look, I wish y'all could see the sky, man. It is so bunch of stars. Y'all can't see it. Let's switch hands again. Terrified. There's a bug on my camera.
I don't know if that was responsible what I said or not.
What'd you say?
I was going through all these graves of like babies and childs. I said, that's a lot of that.
Yeah, I think this
I got
is.
terrified after that.
Yeah, I think this is mostly children, babies. Oh, look at that horse. Let's go down there. I thought it was a real one when I first looked at it. A pony. Ain't nobody buried right here. There's steps.
Where's that horse?
Yeah.
Three on row.
Oh, wow.
So maybe boys and 2 girls. She was by the colors.
Yeah. Could have been triplets. Francis. There's another baby. Florine Ray Walker. Walkers are everywhere. Newborn. This is Baby Hill. This is what I'm going to name it. Baby Hill. At the Crossroads where you make a deal with the devil. Oh, there's 2 of them.
Other animals over here.
Yeah.
Oh, that
There's
one's
even a
cool.
leopard or something. Chickens. Yeah, it is very sad.
Yes.
All these babies.
Yeah, okay.
Jonathan Thomas, a newborn, died in 1994.
He's 22 years.
Huh? Oh, 72 to 94. It says newborn.
Run now.
That don't
Run now?
Run now. It said run now. Why? Are we in danger? Wonder what's down in there. Are we in danger? What's that? Oh, must be wood or something. It said run now, John.
Oh, wow.
Look over there.
Newborn's the last name.
There's like a road goes down in there. Oh, newborn is the last name?
John T. Newborn.
Oh.
Here. Jason T. Newborn.
I want to take a picture of this horse.
3.
Tree or 3?
3. That's 3 of us.
I guess I'll just get a still frame. Look at me, John. I'm like a thumbnail. John, look up at me. I'm just so I can screenshot it and make a thumbnail. Where's your pictures? Because I don't know how to take a picture with this camera.
Somebody has painted a light globe for a ceiling fan.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. It didn't live but a couple of months.
Yeah.
Not even really a whole month.
There's like 99.9% babies out here.
This one was a child.
Would you like to talk, sweetie? Did you like animals?
Y'all got y'all ghost apps on, the ones on your phone?
He's got his spirit talker on.
No, okay. I
You want to do necrophonic?
I thought I heard a man's voice just now.
Really? What'd that say? Rude? No, we're not trying to be rude.
Nude.
Oh, nude. No, we're not trying to be nude either. I see lights.
I'll be what?
Is that a light?
Which one is the light that comes through? One looks like
We're too close. They're gonna see us. They're stopping. Or they're turning on that road. Okay, that was creepy.
So calm,
There is a light out there, aren't there? Or maybe it's a tin sign that light's reflecting off of. Here. I'm worried about animals coming out of these woods.
I don't know how they can say newborn when
That's the last
It's their last name. We done went through that.
John Wick and we paranormal just now getting caught up.
What?
Lucy.
I thought it said something else. Like, that ain't something you want to hear in a graveyard. I think I'm going to set my camera down right here and do the necrophonic.
Huh?
I'm going to do the necrophonic.
Oh, what's that, John?
I need something higher. Y'all, I am sporting Jared King TV's shirt. Y'all get over there and subscribe to him. He's funny. He's very funny. Him and Laura, Queen Laura TV. Y'all need to check them out too. They're so funny. I'm gonna do the necrophonic out. I ain't got this on. Not losing. Now it is. I can find it with 900 out. Blue horn. Alright, if you want to speak to us, you could probably manipulate the words in this app on my phone and tell us what you want us to know. We don't mean any disrespect. Cindy, right off the bat. Hello. You know my name, what's yours? Where'd you go? You here? What's the name of this cemetery? What's the name of this cemetery that I'm standing in? Whoever that is that's talking nasty, please go away. I do not want to talk to you. Could someone else come through and tell me the name of this cemetery? Do you want to talk? That is a lot. I think there's a house up there. Is there anything that you want us to know? Do you want us to leave or do you want us to stay? Just tell us anything. Hey? Shit fire. Sure, there's a lot of planes goes across here. Big open sky. Do you like that?
That's a big difference.
Got a bunch of stars out.
Yeah, I never see the Big
I
Dipper.
see the Big Dipper and the Little Dipper. That's about the only two I know of.
Ain't that one Orion?
Orion, yeah. Orion's belt.
Is there any kids out here?
Is there any children that wants to talk to us? You want to play a game?
I kind of just saw shooting stars.
Okay. Be a pretty place to stargaze. Hello. My name is Cindy. This is Jonathan, and that's John over there. We're just here to communicate with you. You want to talk? You said Dan? Help what? I have like 2 bars. Maybe they even like something in truck. What happened to you? Why is there so many babies out here? Was there an epidemic back in the day? Why is there so many babies that passed away out here? Can you tell me? I feel really sad. I see a light flashing over there. I'm seeing a light flash over there. Where's your dad?
Over there.
Over there?
No, he's down
He's
there.
over there, yeah. I'm seeing a light flash over there. It might have been a lightning bug, I don't know.
I think it's that light he has reflecting off of one of those because I just saw it too.
Yeah, it could have been. Okay, it don't seem like you want to talk to us. When you do, you could just talk into our cameras. Thank you. Kind of like a bunch of jabber. Yeah, I don't have much signal out here.
It's shocking we got any at all.
Yeah.
I got 2 to 3.
We are way out here in the country.
Oh, I was going to say, now that's been down there and now it's going up.
What is it?
Oh, I think that right there is actually one of them like Google
Satellites?
internet things for like out for the country people.
It sounds like a plane, or is there another plane? Oh, there's a plane, okay.
But yeah, that's been
Yeah,
right there and
that's
now
not-
it's going up.
That's not nothing like that. It's like wiggling up. That might be another plane.
I think I've seen people talk about them before. I think out this way they got like the balloons or whatever to help with internet signal out here.
Oh, really?
That's weird.
Like with charter or something?
I don't know.
It's weird looking.
What is that?
I don't know if y'all
I don't
can
know,
see
it's
it.
moving too fast now.
Looks like it's getting bigger. Oh no, it's like going in circles or something. The lights around it. Oh, wow. That's an airplane. Yeah. Okay. It was going weird. Why was it going straight up like that?
Airplane, that's too small. It's like almost like...
Yeah, it's an airplane. I can tell by the shape of it.
Yeah, I guess it was the headlights, but
Yeah.
that's been a bright star right there for the longest.
Yeah. Well, that was weird. A lot of planes here.
Yeah.
A lot of them.
Get that maze.
It's like being like in Atlanta. I think my light's done. Did my IR light.
That's that star I was thinking about.
Oh, yeah.
I couldn't see it.
Yeah.
Alright, airplane. Making me think of UFOs. I don't believe in them.
I do. I definitely do. I believe it. There's a bat over by that light, that street light. See it? Just don't come over here. My flashlight's not a street light. Where'd he go? Must be down the hill. Well, thank you for talking to us. If you did, I'll be able to hear you when I play this video back. Oh, yeah, you did. That was the Lucy back there? Yeah. Y'all let me know in the comments below if you hear or see anything that we don't. Or that I don't catch in the editing process. There's the church. It's an old church. Something black laying back there behind it. On the ground, you see it?
2 years old. A year and something.
1910 to 1912. 2 years old. Did you hear that? Did you do that? What was that noise? John, did you make a noise?
Huh?
Did you make a noise? I heard a boom. Like somebody said it. It must be a creek. That creek goes all the way around.
We got a grave over here, somebody was sitting around this year.
Oh, yeah?
I don't know. I looked on the map. I didn't see no creek right around.
Yeah, look. You can see where it drops off down in there. And I heard it when we pulled up over there. So it goes all the way around from there, all the way around.
No, it's not on the map.
Huh. It is too little to be on the map. Looks like there's little stones in there.
Well, watch out, that's pretty good.
I'm going to go sideways. Was that you? Was that you?
Yeah.
You were harking?
Yeah, I was hopping it. Slim.
That's what I heard like, oh.
Miss
Cindy.
The unseen. Unseen.
Is that the, what is that down there? Is that a road? Is that the road? see it. It's like concrete down there.
Yeah, I do see something down there. I don't know what that is. It does look like a road or something.
Yeah. It is. It's the road. The road must go all the way around like that. That's weird.
Yeah, that's a house that's over there.
Here comes a... Turn your light off. Turn your light off. I don't want nobody to stop and see what we was doing. I think I still got the camera zoomed in. Yeah. Comes another one. Oh no, maybe that's that one. That's pretty. This one was 2006.
This one right here, 2021.
It ain't marked on my grave yet. They were born in 1937. How do you know it was 2021?
Right over here. The little marker right here at the bottom. It says the year, it doesn't say.
Oh yeah, Regina Trotter. But that ain't the same one because that one was born in 1973. And this one was born in 1937.
They can't, surely they can't be three people stacked here together.
Yeah,
No, but that one hadn't died yet.
Joan Evelyn.
Yeah, Joan Evelyn. Maybe she donated her. Maybe that's a new wife or something. I don't know. Here comes another vehicle. I don't like being this close to woods. This road is really busy. I don't like the fact that there's a stop sign right there because I think they're trying to pull up in here. Alright, we're going to head on out. Look at all the lightning bugs up there. That car left yet?
No.
I don't know why it's just sitting there. Alright, well. We're gonna get out of here. There's a car sitting there at the stop sign, and there ain't no other cars coming. What is that? Alright. We'll check y'all later. Love you. Peace.